Hey there, welcome to Immersed. We're glad you're here. My name is Josh, and I'm here to help you get set up. Immersed gives you superhuman focus and productivity by immersing you in our distraction-free worlds while giving you up to 5 high-res virtual monitors to work on, all from your own computer. We're going to jump right in. Let's get your computer connected to Immersed. Now, first things first, on your computer, go to immersed.com/setup. Then you'll need this pairing code to follow the instructions. Awesome! Your computer is successfully paired to Immersed. Now we have a few more things to cover to make you more efficient in Immersed, but don't worry, you'll be flying through your work in no time. Let's move on. Select the tutorial you'd like to see. Don't worry, you can always come back and do the other one later. Take a look at your hands. For the best hand tracking, make sure to keep your hands about 1 foot in front of your headset. And when performing actions, ensure your hand movements are exaggerated and clearly visible to your headset's cameras. Also, be sure to have good lighting around you. You can enable or disable your hands by first turning your palm towards you and pinching your ring finger to your thumb. Give it a try. Awesome! You see how the color of your hands changed? When your hands are bright, that means they're enabled. When they are dulled out, that means they're disabled and you can't click anything. This prevents unintentional clicking or moving of your screens. Let's move on. To click, you will need to pinch your index finger to your thumb. Let's give it a try. Hold out your hand with your palm facing out like this. Aim at that toggle in front of you and then click it. Remember, pinch your index finger to your thumb to click. There you go, you're getting it. To open your quick, nice, you got it. From here, you can open the full menu, hide screens, mute, and trigger other key actions. Try opening the menu. Great job. You can also directly open the full menu by facing your left palm towards you and pinching and holding your left index finger to your thumb. We're going to put the menu away for now. Let's move on. Let's try moving your screens. Hold out your hand with your palm facing out, like this. To grab your screen, aim your laser, then pinch and hold your index finger to your thumb. There you go, you've grabbed your screen. Now to move it, hold the pinch and move your hand around. Go ahead and try moving the center screen into the neon zone. Perfect. You're a quick learner. To resize your screens, you can aim both of your lasers at the screen, pinch and hold, and then move your hands away from each other. You can also resize them by aiming one laser at the corner of the screen, pinching and holding, and then moving your hand diagonally towards or away from the center of the screen. Go ahead and try expanding your screens with either method. Great job! You're really getting the hang of this. You've got the basics down. There is more to learn, but you're ready to start using Immersed. If you ever need immediate assistance, go to the help icon in the Immersed menu and click on support to visit our Discord. But for now, you're all set up to be more productive in VR. Go crush today.